launch of the KRC20 today. Did everything go smooth, or were there some problems with the launch here? I'm going to show you guys here that in a second. There's a lot of news out about that. We are up through the 702, the 786. We went up to 19, what was it, 19.7. Okay, we were looking for, right here, 1618. And we'll zoom into this in a second. We were looking for right about 19 cents. So we went over just a hair here. And we'll, like I said, we'll cover that here in a second. We'll come back here and take a look at this chart. All right, let's first off take a look at the, excuse me, the crypto bubbles here. Well, I got kind of tore up about that whiff in the comments there. Somebody says, what are you doing, living under a rock? I commented, LOL, maybe I'm a little old school, but I don't keep up with a lot of these, is this a meme coin? Can someone answer that, please? Dog whiff hat. I would imagine so. All right, I don't keep up with a lot of this stuff. All right, I know you can make a lot of money with the memes and stuff like that. I stick to my my old school crypto, I guess. Of course, the newer stuff, Kaspa, Beam, I'm into all that. But AGIX, the Phantom, I'm into a lot of the older stuff. Render, Link, stuff. The stuff is secure, man. It's got good companies behind it. Cardano, XRP, Gala. I stick to a lot of the solid stuff. Fetch, all the stuff I cover in the H bar in my videos. That's a lot of the stuff that I hold. VeChain, I love VeChain. I think VeChain's got a big future. I said SingularityNet, Filecoin. I love Filecoin. Solana. A lot of the big ones. Algo. I still believe Algorand's gonna have massive turnaround here eventually. But anyway, we're here looking at Kaspa. Let's pull up the. KAS. There we go. Let's see what the volume is. 297 million. How about that? That's a massive spike. Yesterday was 64, something like that. $4.45 billion market cap. Ranked number 24. It didn't move up or down today. For the day, we're actually down 1.6%. Up 18.6 for the week, and up 34% for the month, which is pretty awesome compared to everything else. Look at this. That's everything else for the month, right? There's Kaspa down here. The only one bigger is Brett, of course, a meme coin. So there you go. But as far as solid companies, massive futures right here. Plus 34%. Everything else is in red for the month. For the year, let's take a look at the year. Wow, look at that. Pretty impressive. Kaspa, plus 665%. Look at these. There's Solana. There's Fetch. Like I said, these solid companies. There's Pendle. Bonk. Look at that. That's crazy. 6,000 X. So if you had your money in that for the year, you would have done a 60X. Not too bad. Yeah, these numbers are going to go way up when this alt season hits. And if it's your first one, guys, just wait. This would be normal for a month during a big bull run. Absolutely. I've absolutely seen numbers like this for a month in a bull run. All right, let's go over here to Bitcoin real quick, see what's going on with it. It's up today. You can see here, this on a 4-hour chart, right? Off the bottom here, we came up, bounced right off of 618 right here, and got a, looks like got a wave 1, 2, looks like a third wave here. Zoom out on this, you can see this resistance line coming down through here. Let me see if that's right. No, haven't even hit it yet. So there's where Bitcoin is at. Okay, after this downfall, but it's still pretty much going within a zone. All right, we bounced off that 618, but Still haven't taken out this top right here, this high at 62,450 probably, somewhere right around there. Then I would expect an upswing to start after we take out this high over here. Let's take a look here real quick. I want to see a couple things. Bitcoin dominance. Is this thing anywhere yet? No, not really. Let's go to weekly. Yeah, you can see here. Still lost that support. Because this line, I've showed this before. Let's go to monthly. Make it a little bit tighter in here. This line. Be somewhere like that. So technically this is broke support here. Is it going to start falling? The monthly, wow, look at that. The monthly is pretty stretched out, and you got massive bearish divergence on Bitcoin dominance. Look at that. Higher prices and lower RSI highs. So you can see an alt season coming. All right, the writing is on the wall. There it is. Massive bearish divergence, higher prices, lower RSI. All right, on the weekly, you do have, lower highs here. You get this high right here, and you had higher prices, lower highs on the RSI. All right, so definitely bearish divergence for Bitcoin dominance down through here. The Dow Jones, we just want to see what's going on here. All right. Still up at that 4.236. You got the weekly reset here. Bearish divergence or not? Not really. Got higher highs on the RSI, higher highs on price on the monthly. All right, not too bad. That's what we want to see for the Dow. We want to see a run for this thing. To get this. This alt season, this massive run to come in here. So the Dow Jones looking pretty decent. I mean, it's holding. It's right up at that 4.236 right here. Look at this now. 1, 2, 3, 4 months. It's been up at that top, at that 4.236. The DXY, the dollar. You guys, I don't like talking politics. All right, I'm not into that on my channel, but boy, that debate the other night, wow, unbelievable. Did you guys see that? That Trump is something else, isn't he? I don't even want to go there. He's a trip. He's funny. Coming down through here, you got silver, $29 for silver. Wow. I was buying that for $19. Right down through here. 18, 19 bucks, silver dollars, stuffing them away. There it is up there. Like I said, that's it. Excuse me, that 618 is up here at 35 bucks. So see what happens there with silver. Here we go. This is any major stuff happening here. All right, here's the crypto total market cap. Total market cap of crypto. No movement, just pretty much sideways, right up at the 618, between the 618 and 786. The total two, same story. Right at the top of this wedge that we're looking at for a, boy oh boy, when this thing does go, look out. Right at the top of this wedge here, we get that breakout. Oh my, yeah, it's going to be unbelievable. This is a total market cap excluding Bitcoin, and here's the one excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Get that off there. I apologize. There we go. And look at that. Look how much lower it is than. Didn't even hit a 618 up here. Came close to it, but did not hit it. And we're actually at a 0.382. It's like a 1, 2, 3. 4, what, then we get a fifth wave, what, up to a 702. Makes you wonder here, right? You can clearly see that. Wait, hold on, what's a trend-based fib have to say? Let's put a trend-based fib on that. Go from your swing low to your swing high to the retracement. Oh, did we have 5 waves right there? Looks like it. Let's get this off here a second. This is on a monthly. Let's go on a weekly. Well, we sure did. Now we're getting that ABC. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Look at that. Almost perfect. Actually, if I would have... look at this. This trend-based fib, that's why I love this thing so much. It doesn't always work. You know what? But it is pretty darn accurate when it does work. Alright, go from swing low right there to the swing high. Right there to the retracement right there. Pretty darn close, huh? Now, is this ABC about done in here? Let's measure this out. Alright, from top down. Alright, came over to we got a 702 right up there, okay? Let's see how much more of a correction we would have here for the total market cap. Pull our A wave down on top of B. And thank you to the new members that signed up for the level 3 memberships. Thank you guys. If you're interested, really quick, you get over 20 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to start charting like this, how to set up trading view, how to leverage trade, all that, everything, not over 9 hours. And a link to the Discord to come trade with us. I will be over there tomorrow trading. Been a busy day today. Got family, you know, with the holidays and stuff coming up here in the U.S. If you live in the U.S., we have the 4th of July coming up. Here would be, you know, according to this measurement, right here should be a bottom. Alright, so it does, what's the RSIs have to say? You know, where's our weekly? Weekly's right at the bottom. The monthly, coming down. Daily, the daily's rolling over. Yeah, we're gonna get that last push down here. You know, you can see, yeah, looks like a 5 wave down. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave. You know, right down here around 511 billion. That's about $90 billion from here. So we'll watch for a bottom to come in here. That should be an ABC, and that should give us a bottom. Now, if we come over here, I want to show you guys this news. Right here, the launch of the Kaspa Kas open beta caused a spike in legitimate network usage, resulting in a natural load, an increase in confirmation times for all users, the network itself, P2P, and especially consensus and mining has been and is functioning securely. That was 3 hours ago. 5 hours ago, with a massive user engagement around KRC20 beta launch today, the KRC20 network is experiencing some issues. As expected in beta phases, the Kaspa Kas team is working on solutions. That said, we are seeing the Kaspa mainnet working flawlessly. We applaud those taking the, let's click on it and pull it up here. You know, they experienced an overload, which with 200 and some million in volume, you know, we're up 4x in volume from yesterday. Here it is here. We are seeing the Kaspa mainnet. We applaud those taking the initiative to expand the ecosystem and celebrate the strength of the Kaspa network. All right, so they experienced some issues. It said with massive user engagement. So, oh well, hey, that's how it goes. KRC20 open beta live. You know, that's good to see, guys. That's very good news for Kaspa. Now let's take a look at that chart. Good, if you would please hit the like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that, guys. Helps me out, you know, a little bit here, so I would definitely appreciate that. Now we made it up to, actually made a new high here. Okay, let's go on a weekly. Yeah, we got a new all-time high right up here at 19,8027. Right up here. So we have a new all-time high. which is awesome. Congratulations, everybody. That is definitely what we want to see here. And now, all right, what we can see for the bigger picture here is right here. Hold on one second. Let me take a look down here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, then we're starting that new. This thing could end up heading so much higher. No question about it. We had them 5 waves in up to here. We had a corrective structure, and now we're starting, some new moves up here. All right, we have that weekly right at the very top. No bearish divergence here, but the weekly is at the top. The monthly, I don't really have a monthly. All right, so let's take a look at the 5-day. The 5 days heading back to the upside. This is a wave 3. If this is a wave 3 coming right here, which it's kind of looking that way. All right. If we come back out here, let's break this down 1 second. Okay. You can see here. 1, 2, 3. So we know where we're at. 4, 5. Okay. Then inside here, if you're going to daily. All kinds of right here, A, B, C. All right, so you had your corrective move right through here, A, B, C. Now you're starting on a new set in here. Okay, you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then again. You have an ABC right here, A, B, C. Okay, so we got that worked in. We have that corrective move there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. We should be working on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 next. Okay, for the next move up here. All right, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this thing could be stretching out here now. Let's go on a smaller frame here. How about a 4-hour? Oh yeah, you can see it now. That's why we were looking for that 19. All right, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we should have maybe one more push here. All right. We came up and hit that 19.6, which was off of this. Now this here, let's put a trend-based fib on this. Right, I'm trying to see to the high, to the retracement. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. All right, 21.3. All right, we got a 4th wave coming up here. All right, I was wondering that here because this didn't look like much. As of a 5th wave. This would have extended if it was a 5th wave. All right, but we got a wave inside of this move here. Okay, which when you zoom in, you can break these down. You got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of this, and then you got an ABC happening for this 4th wave pullback, and then you should have 5 waves starting for a 5th wave here. All right, so we'll put a Fibonacci on here. If this ABC is done, let's take a look. Let's go to 1 hour. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Perfect, guys. Just absolutely perfect. Here's our ABC. You see it here? Boom, boom. Let's measure this. Look at that. Perfect. 702. Now, put our A on top of B. Right there. Oops. There we go. 17, right around 17 cents on the dot. That's where this should bottom. Right there. Okay, 1705. That measures out pretty perfect here. You can see there, right up to a 702. A, B. Pull that down on top. C. Where the 1 hour RSI is rolling over. The 4 hour rolling over. 8 hour. coming down. Yeah, expect to pull back down here to right around 17 cents. All right, that should be our fourth wave pullback, and then a pushback up. You know, and I don't get me. I could be wrong here, guys. 100%. I feel pretty confident about this, so. Then a pushback up to 21.5. All right, that would make this. Watch it all fall apart on me. We'll see. We'll see. All right, that would make it a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to leave this on here just like that. Okay, we'll see what happens. Looks pretty solid. Sounded pretty good, didn't it? We'll see. All right, thank you so much, guys. Kaspa's looking great. I'm watching for a pullback down to 17. I'll probably take a long position here. I'll announce that in Discord if I do. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a great night. Congratulations, everybody, on the KRC20 launch, and I will talk to you soon.